Are you confused about the rest time between each of the set during a workout? It's a very common question and concern of most of my mentees, and you used to get a lot of DMs regarding this. To be very specific, it depends on your goal. Let me explain you what do I mean. Planning to maximize your strength and power, which is mostly lifting 90% of your 1 rep max, then the rest should be around 3 to 5 minutes, as 3 to 5 minutes are required to regenerate your ATP, which is the energy currency on your body. The time also can be increased till your heart rate has not recovered properly. But if your goal is just to increase your endurance, where you will be lifting around 30 to 50% of your 1 rep max, then 15 to 30 seconds will be enough for your rest. And if you are a newbie whose goal is just fat loss, then my recommendation will be have a rest of 40 to 60 seconds between each of your set, and if your heart rate doesn't recover within that period of time, then you can also extend that.